Marcus is officially gone. He left me. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so in today's video, I am going to be alone for the first time with Maxwell this week. Marcus is going out of town and I am going to be here by myself, so I decided to just go ahead and take y'all along the way. Today is Sunday. He hasn't left yet. He's leaving tomorrow, but I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing now to prepare myself. So this is gonna be my first time alone, like overnight with Max. My anxiety is like really through the roof, but I know that I can do this. So I am meal prepping now, so I don't have to worry about like my food. So I ordered a family pack from Cheddar's. Let me show you. Here's the family pack. This is a broccoli casserole, and then this is broccoli. And I put all this together. It kind of comes like this. I've already ate some for today. So I'm just gonna put them in the packs here. So this is corn, broccoli, salmon, and rice. And then it comes with a Burberry sauce here. And I am about to meal prep. I am cooking some turkey wings in the crock pot tonight. And so these are gonna be my snack, my celery, all of this. So it's Monday, Marcus leaves later on today, and I just got back from Trader Joe's, and I'm gonna show y'all what I picked up at Trader Joe's to get me through these few days that I'm gonna be alone by myself with an infant. Come on, let's see. How much is it? All right. Strawberries, blueberries that are soaking. Coconut almonds for a snack. Guava for my icy bowls and my parfaits. Some juice. Some more juice. Some granola. Turkey bacon. Chicken. I'm gonna actually do this with this. This is gonna be a salad that I'm making. I'm gonna put chicken on it. Chicken sausage. Smoothie. Hummus. Chicken wings. Alright, y'all. Marcus is about to leave me. He'll be back. He's about to leave, but I'm hungry and I'm already about to get into my meal prep. I'm gonna do salad. I did the kale salad, and then I'm gonna warm this up, and then I'm gonna eat this for lunch because I'm hungry. And it already comes with the dressing, so I don't have to worry about that. It's like a sweet, it's a really good dressing that comes with it. So yeah, guys, if you go to Trader Joe's, definitely check out that salad. It's really cool. I mean, not really cool, it's really tasty. Plastics everywhere because who's about to do dishes? I'm gonna show y'all the salad in a minute. Chopping this up. This chicken. I'm gonna put this one in the refrigerator for a snack for tomorrow. These are my little parfait little cups that I like to put my parfaits in. So I'm gonna do some yogurt. Aldi yogurt, y'all. It's really good. I've already cut up some blueberries, strawberries for my parfait. So I'm just gonna put some in here. I do want a banana, but I'm just skip on it. This is the parfait. I put my granola on the top, and then here is my salad cube. It looks really good. Y'all, this is not gonna fill me up at all, but I'm gonna eat it and then I'll probably be hungry within the next hour. With breastfeeding, you are burning a lot of calories. So here's Max. It's my water. Let me eat. Marcus is officially gone. He left me. Let me get myself together. Marcus is gone, y'all. He gone. Alright. So it officially starts. I'm documenting this. This is my first time alone with my baby. It's my first time alone with him overnight for a couple of days. I got this. You know what I'm saying? I got this. I got this. All right, let me go pump. All right, coming here live. It has been an hour, almost an hour, and we're doing good so far. We're doing good. The baby is asleep, so we're doing good. I'm about to eat. I just pumped. I'm feeling really good, guys. This is a checkup. 2-hour mark. Yes, it's the next day. And we survived. Thank you, Jesus. We survived. Okay, so let's talk to the people. Y'all, so we survived. I don't know where to start. Okay. So first half day, he actually went down at 7:30, 8, I think, and he stayed asleep until 5:30 a.m. and he's been up since. But we are celebrating the wins here. So far so good. He's a little fussy. I think he's hungry right now. I know he's probably hungry now. So let me go feed this growing man here. And I'll tap back in because this is the official second day that I'm all alone with this youngster here. All right, y'all. So we back, y'all, and it is 9:13 and he is up ready to play, but I have not pumped or ate anything and I'm starving. So I'm about to fix this quick meal here that I'm gonna show you in just 1 minute. But y'all, I decided to wash the bottles. I didn't pump, wash the bottles, and then take a shower. And then I got to making up my bed. I just don't feel right if I don't make up my bed. Like, are y'all like that too? But I'm about to eat and then play with him, and then we're gonna read. It's reading time. And y'all, let's do it. In my oven, and I don't know what it is, but it's really smoky, so I'm not gonna use that. But these egg which are like lifesavers. We buy them from Costco. And then y'all, these Dutch McGriddles, they kind of remind me of the McDonald's McGriddles. Y'all, these are lifesavers. And then I'm gonna have some hash browns, and then I'll probably do a parfait or some type of fruit or something. Maybe I'll do an Aussie bowl. Yeah, maybe I'll. This is how it looks. This is the hash browns. 5-minute breakfast. And then I also, I know this is not gonna fill me up. I got my smoothie right here. So, here we go! Who think he about to get some? So, it's 11:15 around that time. And he is currently napping. And I think I'm gonna get me a nap because I'm exhausted. I've been up since 4:30 in the morning. It's now 11:15. I am exhausted. And I am about to catch me some Z's real quick while Max is napping. Hopefully, normally his afternoon nap is a little longer, maybe like an hour. So I'm about to go and give me some rest. All right, guys, so it is, what time is it, Marcus? I'm talking to Marcus on FaceTime while I'm doing this recap because I'm trying to get everything in, because once my head hits the pillow, I am going to be... What time is it, Marcus?
Over here is 7:46 Central Time, so you 8:46 p.m.
It's 8:46, and it's 8:46. So today it was a lot. I'm not even gonna hold you. It was a whole lot. I truly get why people say sleep when a baby sleep, because that was the first time I ever was so tired that I just couldn't do anything but sleep.
Oh, you took a nap today?
Yes. I told you woke me up, remember?
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, you said we taking a nap, and then you got right on up.
Yeah, I actually took a nap with the baby, and it was amazing. I was up, I got up at 4:30 to pump, because I knew that he would get up around 5 something. Well, he got up at 5, oh, I think he got up at like 5:15, and he was ready to eat at 5:30. He did this the other night. I thought that he would go back to sleep, because he actually went back to sleep once we put him in the bed with us, and he did not run that play. He stayed up until like 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. So I was dirt tired. Well, you know what, I say that back. He did fall asleep at like around 9. Y'all gonna see the footage. Like, I was tired, okay? I was up. Yes, and so when he woke up from his nap this morning, I fed him, and then he played around, and then he went back to sleep. And I said, you know what, I'm about to go back to sleep because I'm tired. I was dirt tired. Like, this is a lot to have an infant, like, by yourself. Shout out to all the stay-at-home moms out there, because y'all are the real MVP. So that's what we did. He was kind of a little cranky. towards the end, a lot of whining. Today's my dad's birthday, so we called him. And he was whining with him too, so I knew it was time to go to bed. But I did not get to pump as much as I do during the day. I think I pumped a total of 4 times today. So I didn't do that, but because it's so hard to like try to pump, try to eat, try to wash the bottles, try to do this, it's a lot. Like it's like a whole lot. But I got it done. I got it one day, one full day with my baby. Like, I got my shirt on backwards. Like, what in the world? Asking Marcus, how did he feel being away from Max for the first time? He's about to turn 4 months and Thursday. Marcus, how did you feel being away from Max for the first time?
It was hard, honestly. If you think about when I was leaving the house, just hesitating, just trying to see him again and talk to him, you know, hug both of y'all real tight because, for the last every day of his life, for every visit of the pregnancy, I've always been there. It's the first time, really over a year that, we haven't been together, like all, me, you, and now Max. So yeah, it was tough, leaving my little man, but, I know I gotta make sure I take care of my family. So we've been doing a good job of FaceTime, man, before he goes to bed. I didn't get to see him the first night because it was late by the time I got to the hotel and all that. So I missed him last night. But this morning, as I was getting ready for work, we FaceTime and played a little bit. And then got to see him around lunchtime. And then before he went to bed. So we've been using technology, but it is hard being away from your family. But we made it through.
Oh, this was the first day that I officially was with Max, and this was Marcus' first day officially away from Max. Like, it's
For a
so,
business trip, yeah.
it's so surreal. I have like a whole human that we're responsible for. Stay tuned for day 3, and then Marcus comes back on Thursday. What time? I think I'm gonna try to get out in the morning with him. What do you think about that, Marcus? All right, guys. So yes, this is day 1. My husband left me.